So I'm out here with the Avata today. Sunny day, pretty damn windy though. I got it back earlier in the week and the weather's been shocking, so I had like a really brief test one morning, but nothing that I would sort of consider a good flight, really, just pissing around. Right, so I'm under no illusion that the tumble problem's gone away. It was probably pointless me even sending it back, to be quite honest. But for some reason, as I said on another post, they replaced the camera and the gimbal for some weird reason. Don't know why. There was nothing wrong with it, but they've definitely changed it. So same drone, different camera and different gimbal. Yeah, I'm not gonna do your snaps and your spins and push it, because unless they release some kind of firmware update that somehow tames that characteristic a bit, I don't see how anything's going to change. You know, going by what others have said as well, it's just a design thing. So just don't fly it like a dick, really. That's all I can say. So I'm going to cruise around, not going to go too mad, pretty windy. May try another location in a bit as well and stick some of that footage in there. But yeah, here we go. So there you go, some pretty chilled flying with the Avata. I flew 3 batteries today so far. I flew 2 in one location and 1 in this location. I used a freewell ND16 filter. So I had the auto ISO with a cap of 200 on it and everything else set to manual settings. In this location that I'm at now, it did get a bit too dark when the cloud covered the sun at a couple of points. So I'll see what I can do in post. I always shoot in decent alike and then color correct it anyway. So hopefully I can bring that out a little bit. My camera angle was lower than it normally is. One location it was 14 degrees. And in this one, it was 16, I believe, because I just wanted to cruise around. Normally have it somewhere between 18 and 28 or something, depending on what I feel like. But yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Nothing too crazy going on here, just a bit of flying around. Take it easy.